Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp link in your Facebook page, or how to add WhatsApp button on your Facebook page. If you want to do so, just switch on your Facebook page where you want to. So I'm going to switching on my Facebook page. You can see here right now it's switching. You have to switch on your Facebook page, and you can use Facebook official application because it's best for editing your WhatsApp link in your Facebook page. For doing this, just click on here on three dot line, alright, and scroll down. Then you will find here settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Then you will find here settings. Click on settings and you will find here such kind of interface here. Okay, so guys, before going to the process, I'm going to ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Then click on here linked account. Here is the most important. You find here that is linked account. Then click on WhatsApp. You want to WhatsApp add here, so click on here. Then put your WhatsApp number. So I'm going to give my WhatsApp number. Okay, then click on here, that is send a code via WhatsApp. Alright, a code is going to be sent here on WhatsApp. Just wait a second. So you can see here that is code number is going to be sent here, and I am going to put it over here. So the code number is here 20668. So I'm going to put it here 20668. Then it's automatically, you can see here, it's going to verify. Right now you can see here that is your account are connected. So I'm clicking on here on this done. You can see here my number is already been connected. So if you want to remove it, you can also remove it. Right now I'm going to check it. You can see here. So I'm going to searching the name here. You can see here. So I'm going to searching the page name. You can see here